Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx YouTube channel, and this is Poco F5. You guys can see here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flash how to install the Gcam port. In this video, I'm specifically installing LMC camera. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. In order to install the camera, you need not to be unlock the bootloader or even the USB debugging. Those things we need not to do anything. By default, this smartphone supports camera 2 API enabled, and currently I am on version 14.0.5.0. you can see on the screen. Just I will give two links in the description, and also you can join my Telegram and WhatsApp group. There is a special separate WhatsApp group for Poco F5. You can join that. Okay, let's begin. I have installed them. I downloaded that. I will give these two links. XML will be directly given. The camera app application, there will be link is provided even in the description. You can check out down below, and also it will be available in my WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Just install this or enable these settings. Yeah, it asks for not to install third-party applications, but enable it and OK. Press it. OK. Done. Now install this LMC 8.4. Currently this one Gcam, I really like it. There are many available, but this is the one I like it. Yeah, once this is installed, go to open here. Yeah, select all the permissions and done. Yeah, it will force closes. Very soon you need to do one more thing. If I go into this one, back here, you can see LMC 8.4 folder has been created. Before installing the app, the folder will not be created. So install the app, the folder will be created called as LMC 8.4. Once that is installed, go to this one where you download this XML file, move, more, copy, or even you can move also to LMC 8.4, paste it. Now it should be very much quick here. Just open here and select this and select this LMC option, and you should be very much quick and import it. As you can see, everything, it takes a little bit of time to reload everything. Now everything is fine here. You can even take HDR plus and even more settings. If you know something about that, you can use that, but if you don't know anything, don't change any of these settings. Keep it same here. Developer settings and all config settings, we have already added this config. Now the selfie camera going to be a lot more improved in this camera, so you need to use this particular Gcam port. Links are in the description. Go and use it. And thank you for watching this video, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.